I'm doing a very important part 2 to this video because there was at least one comment about the theme from the part 1 video that I did, or the Citizen Body did, was that debate is not actually a search for truth first and foremost. It's not that you can't glean some truth out of it, but when both parties value truth, the entire dynamic of, quite frankly, humanity changes. And that's not what we're seeing here. What we're seeing here is all three of the people trying to put themselves in a position to have a zero-sum win-or-loss and to advance their platform and their followers. Now, that doesn't make them, any of them, bad people. It's not about that. What it's about is thinking as a philosopher in terms of process. And if you go back to an earlier video, we have something called the hierarchy of human discourse. At the very base level of that is destruction. War, or a fist fight, is the bottom of human communication. It basically means I'm getting what I want by destroying you. The second layer up from that is degradation, calling each other names, profanity, putting each other down. We started to see this merge into that because right above degradation is debate. So you have destruction, fist fight at the bottom, degradation. Every fist fight usually involves some kind of cursing, calling the other person names. And then you have debate, which is kind of what starts the fight in the first place usually. I was standing here. No, that's my parking space. That's my parking space, right? So debate is not a very valuable use of the highest known intelligence in the universe. I know it's been that way for millennia. However, it's time to advance our philosophic technology to the next level past debate, which is simple discussion. Being better at discussing things where we're both seeking truth. Now, TCB has an even more formal process where you formally agree that that's why you're getting together, and you can have a moderator, but it would have to be a TCB moderator who would love to do this, where what you're only trying to do is uncover more truth. This is an advancement of philosophical technology over and above what we saw here as a battle. That's what we mean when we say this is not the best we can do with our intelligence.